What is this noise? What's going on?
Your crops are under attack. Use this and turn off the siren.
What a relief. But why did they come in the first place?
Because your plants were left open and vulnerable to diseases and pests. It was a cry for help. Use Tabsil and safeguard your crops.
In our real life scenarios, there are no such alarms that go off to inform us that our crops are under attack or low on health. Why risk it? Use Tabsil to fulfill all your crop requirements. Tabsil is an effervescent tablet product rich in ortho-silicic acid, essential for plant and immune system development. It is the fifth important element for cell wall development and helps in crop strengthening. The effervescing tablet makes it easy to apply in fields with large water amounts. You can use this amazing product to improve the productivity of chili and tomato crops, among others. So how does Tabsil benefit your plants? Tabsil is a plant defense system that enhances plant health by providing a strong physical barrier against pests and diseases. It also enhances stress resistance, strengthens upright growth, regulates nutrient uptake, and improves water management. It also enhances photosynthetic efficiency and resistance to abiotic stresses, and increases leaf thickness for pathogen resistance. Tabsil also enhances biotic stress resistance, reducing the need for chemical interventions. Now, let's look into its application. Its tablet form simplifies the application process, making it user-friendly for farmers. Its role in boosting photosynthesis and growth directly contributes to increased plant growth and productivity. Here are applications of Tabsil on your crops. For foliar, use 1 gram per liter. For drip or drench, use 1 kg per acre. For paddy fields, use 1 kg per acre. And for broadcasting in 1 acre of submerged paddy field. Follow the process twice at 15-day intervals at the vegetative, flowering and fruiting stage. Now that you know the great benefits of Tabsil, get ready for a great harvest. Grab it at a special price only on Big Heart.